What's up guys, Salty here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Apple Watch Series 3. Again, sorry for the temporary setup, and I know the lighting's a little off because we have a light over there. And so what we're going to be unboxing, here I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. The Apple Watch Series 3 38mm space gray aluminum with the black Sport brand, and it's the GPS version. So that's the back, you guys can see. I'll zoom back out. That's the back, just some information what it includes. Blank side, the front, Apple Watch Series 3, and then the other side, focus. You see Apple Watch Series 3, 38mm case, space gray aluminum, and the Sport band is black, can't speak. And yes, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm assuming you just cut these sides like that. There we go. This is my first Apple Watch, by the way. Is that cutting? Oh, there. Yeah, it is. Okay. Just drop the plastic from the side. Ah! Kind of satisfying. Plastic. Okay, so that out of the way. Stop, get away, plastic. Okay, so first, here. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. You unbox the flap to pull it out. So you pull out this flap. To reveal that, that's so satisfying. There's the case, and then so what you do is you just pull out this little flap right here, the case off to the side. Oh, get away, case. There. Okay, so designed by Apple in California. We're gonna hide that. Or yeah, actually, let's do that. And then so we'll go through this first, put away the actual Apple Watch. So in here, you got Apple Watch. This is way longer than the normal iPhone one. Apple Watch. Quick little setup of how to use the bands. That's cool. Got stuff in there. And then there's some manuals. More instructions. Okay, here we have the magnetic charger, and then this is a small/medium band. Short band. Get this out. There. So there is the small/medium one, but the one that's already connected to the Apple Watch is a medium/large. And then you have the charger. Let me get this thing out. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh. There. Okay, let's put that aside, and then here's the magnetic charger. Here you have some satisfying. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it was there. Stop moving around, USB. It's really quiet. There. Okay, so this is the magnetic plastic one that comes with the GPS, and then USB at the end, but does not have a block. Just this cellular one does. So here's the actual Apple Watch itself. Pull it out. We'll set that aside. Is that it? Yep, that's it. This is the box. Okay, here's the Apple Watch. That's satisfying. What's that doing there? Okay, so we're gonna do that part. Alright guys, my phone died again because I've been having issues with my camera, as you learned in my Xbox unboxing video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. We got Xbox One X and unboxed some games and a controller. But so I'm having to use my brother's phone. Shout out to him. His name is Bullseye49. Sorry, we forgot that for a second. So basically all that we lost is we just took off this. So now to the setup. So here we got my 6S. Let's boot this Apple Watch up, and we'll go into this Apple Watch app. So it says, good evening. If you have an Apple Watch, you can pair it with your iPhone here. Start pairing. Oh yeah, and then what you have to do is you have to hold the camera. So what you do is it have like a barcode on there, and then you just scan it. But yeah, I like this so far. There's your crown right there and button and stuff. Just waiting while I'm sure when you restart it, it would be a slower time. It's just booting up from the box. Oh, okay, there it is. So you see you have that like fuzzy barcode here. So I'm trying to get this on camera. So basically what you do is you like scan it. There. Okay, paired Apple Watch. Set up Apple Watch. So which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? I'm weird. I wear it on my right hand, even though I'm right-handed. So we're gonna select right. And then you can have your crown like that or like that. I personally like it like that. I don't know why other people would like it the other way. That's just me. Connect to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Oh, it's loading 2 spots now. Okay, terms and conditions. Agree. No one ever reads those. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. That's cool. It's on the Apple Watch right now. It says 38mm aluminum case, designed by Apple, California. Oh, this is taking forever. Okay, there you go. So, Find My Watch. We're gonna enable Find My Watch right now, because just in case I lose it. We're gonna enable wherever we try again. We're not gonna share right now. Okay, yeah. Apple Watch passcode, so we're gonna create a passcode. So you can type it in there. Okay, so I put in my passcode. We're gonna set up activity later, because I know that takes a while. Continue, can look after your heart. Continue, it's emergency SOS. Install available apps. We'll choose them later. And it's almost ready, it's syncing. You'll get an alert when it's done. Oh! So you can use your iPhone as you normally would. Oh, there. So it shows you the basics on here. It's pretty cool. So there's the display. Tap to select, swipe, and then press firmly for more options. It's the force touch. Okay. Wait, does it want me to press firmly? What? No, done. I'm dumb. Okay, then you can use the digital crown. Digital crown, you press it to return to the watch face. You press and hold to talk to Siri, and you turn, scroll, and zoom or adjust. Okay, done. There's a side button, and oh, sorry guys, I've been drifting off. Press to show the dock. Double click for Apple Pay, and press and hold for medical ID, emergency SOS, and power. Done. Okay. Now what do I do? Okay, so I figured it out. You're just waiting for this little thing up here to be finished. You see it's loading. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is a smaller band. Oh wait, it might be the bigger band. I'm pretty sure it's this. Yeah, no, the smaller one's on there. So this is actually the bigger band. Sorry, it's my mistake. Apple Watch is almost ready. See, it's almost done. Yes, that's the band. And then the charger that magnetically goes to the back. You guys already saw that. Now we're just waiting. I already went through all of that stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe for more unboxing videos. Oh, it's done. Your Apple Watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Press. Oh, just shook and made a noise. Oh. That's cool. Okay. So there's your Apple Watch. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 3 GPS Space Gray Aluminum with the black sport band. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and hopefully soon some Fortnite videos. By the way, guys, Editor Salty here, and I just wanted to let you all know that I am working on the Fortnite videos for the channel. It's just taking me a while to get my recorder all working and set up again because I haven't used it in a while. But trust me, they will be up soon. In the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want the first Fortnite video to be. Some ideas are creative hide and seek with my friends, doing a challenge you have come up with in Battle Royale, or a game mode idea in Playground. That's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this Apple Watch unboxing. And when we reach 50 subs, I'll do a face reveal. So can we do it? That's all I've got. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.